Thinking about upgrading your bathroom with the latest tech? In this video, we're revealing the coolest smart bathroom gadgets, from heated towel racks to smart toilets that can completely change the way you start and end your day. Number 10. Smart mirrors. Everyone has a bathroom mirror, but smart mirrors are upgrading it with technology. Smart mirrors like the Mirror and Simple Human Sensor Mirror are interactive and improve your morning ritual. These mirrors have high-definition displays and several capabilities to simplify your day. Some smart mirrors have illumination controls that imitate different situations, so you can examine how your makeup looks in daylight versus inside lights. Others analyze your skin's texture, hydration levels, and health to provide you customized skincare advice. Many smart mirrors can link to Wi-Fi, letting you check the weather, receive notifications, and browse your calendar while brushing or shaving. In addition to convenience, smart mirrors make your bathroom look like a luxury hotel or spa. They are essential for anyone who wants to combine modern elegance with cutting-edge technology. Number 9. Bluetooth shower heads. The idea of singing in the shower has been a long-standing cliche, but with Bluetooth-enabled shower heads, your shower time performances are about to get a serious upgrade. Devices like the Kohler Moxie shower head come equipped with a wireless Bluetooth speaker that fits right into the center of the shower head. You can easily connect it to your phone, tablet, or any Bluetooth-compatible device to stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks while you shower. But these high-tech shower heads aren't just for entertainment, giving you the ability to personalize your shower just the way you like it. Number 8. Smart toilets. Smart toilets may sound futuristic, but they are quickly becoming a standard feature in luxury homes. Brands like TOTO and Kohler have developed toilets with built-in Bite-It functionality, heated seats, automatic lid lifters, and even self-cleaning features that eliminate the need for manual scrubbing. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to have a toilet that practically takes care of itself, the future is here. These toilets are all about hygiene and convenience. Imagine walking into your bathroom in the middle of the night and the toilet lid opens automatically, complete with a nightlight to guide your way. Some smart toilets can even be controlled via voice command or smartphone app, allowing you to flush, adjust the seat temperature, or activate the Bite-It without touching a single button. What's more, some high-end models come with health monitoring capabilities that can analyze your waste and offer insights into your hydration levels, digestive health, and more. Number 7. Digital faucets. Water conservation has never been more important, and digital faucets are leading the charge in making bathrooms more eco-friendly. Faucets such as the Moen U by Moen or Delta Faucet Voice IQ offer precision control over water flow and temperature, allowing you to set the perfect conditions for washing your hands, face, or brushing your teeth, all while conserving water. These smart faucets are equipped with motion sensors that automatically turn the water on when they detect movement and off when you're done, reducing water waste. But the real beauty of digital faucets lies in their customization. Many models come with companion apps that allow you to track your water usage, adjust settings remotely, or create preset temperatures and flow rates. This means that you can set your faucet to always deliver warm water for hand washing or cold water for a quick face splash, without fiddling with knobs. Additionally, these faucets often come with sleek, modern designs that enhance the aesthetic of any bathroom, making them a perfect blend of form and function. Number 6. Smart showers. Smart showers are quickly becoming one of the most sought-after smart bathroom gadgets, with brands like Kohler DTV Plus and Moen U Shower leading the way. These systems allow you to personalize every aspect of your shower experience. From water temperature and pressure to spray patterns and even ambient lighting, you can control it all via an app or voice assistant. Each member of the family can save their preferred shower settings, meaning you no longer have to waste time adjusting the knobs before stepping in. Some systems also integrate with smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can start your shower with a simple voice command. Beyond the convenience and personalization, many smart showers are designed with energy and water efficiency in mind. Number 5. Heated towel racks. Wrapping yourself in a warm towel after a hot shower is one of life's simple pleasures, and smart heated towel racks make sure you can enjoy this luxury every single time. Brands like Amba and Warmly Yours offer heated towel racks that can be scheduled to warm up at specific times, ensuring that your towels are always toasty when you need them. These smart towel racks come with programmable timers and energy-efficient settings, so you don't have to worry about wasting electricity. Some models even include Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control them via your smartphone. Whether you're stepping out of the shower on a cold winter morning or just want that extra touch of indulgence, a heated towel rack can elevate your bathroom experience to new heights. Number 4. Smart Scales. In today's health-conscious world, smart scales are essential tools for anyone who wants to keep track of their fitness and health goals. But these aren't your average bathroom scales. Devices like the Withings Body Plus or Fitbit Area go beyond simple weight measurements by analyzing your body composition, including fat percentage, muscle mass, bone density, and water weight. These scales sync with your smartphone, allowing you to track your progress over time and offering insights that can help you adjust your diet and exercise routines. Many of them integrate with health apps like Apple Health, Google Fit, or Fitbit, giving you a more comprehensive look at your overall wellness. Smart scales transform weight checks into effective health monitoring tools with full results and adjustable tracking options. Number 3. Smart Lighting. Lighting plays a critical role in setting the mood and functionality of any space, and smart lighting systems are taking bathroom illumination to the next level. Systems like Philips Hue or LIFX allow you to adjust the brightness, color, and tone of your bathroom lights to suit any occasion, all from your smartphone or through voice control. Whether you want a bright, energizing light to help you wake up in the morning or a soft, relaxing glow for an evening bath, smart lighting lets you create the perfect atmosphere. Some systems even offer preset modes, such as Relax or Energize, which automatically adjust the lighting to enhance your mood. In addition to convenience, smart lighting is also energy efficient. Number 2. Smart Leak Detectors. One of the worst nightmares for any homeowner is water damage, and bathrooms are a prime area for leaks and floods. Fortunately, smart leak detectors, like those from Flow by Moen or Honeywell Lyric, can give you peace of mind by detecting leaks early and preventing costly damage. These devices can be placed near water sources such as toilets, sinks, or bathtubs, and they send instant notifications to your phone if a leak is detected. Some systems even integrate with smart water shutoff valves, allowing you to stop the water flow remotely before the leak turns into a full-blown disaster. For anyone serious about protecting their home investment, smart leak detectors are an essential addition to the bathroom. Number 1. Voice-controlled assistants. No smart bathroom setup is complete without a voice-controlled assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. These virtual assistants serve as the central hub for controlling all your smart bathroom gadgets. Whether it's adjusting the lighting, controlling the shower temperature, or playing your favorite tunes while you soak in the tub, your voice assistant makes it all happen seamlessly. What's great about voice-controlled assistants is their ability to integrate with other smart home devices. This means that while you're getting ready in the bathroom, you can also control the thermostat, check the weather, or even adjust the lights in other rooms, all without lifting a finger. We hope you're excited to transform your bathroom into a smart, luxurious space. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know your favorite gadget in the comments below. More tech inspiration is on the way.